Hi, so this is the sixth in a series of simple explainer videos that relate to the Curious Cloud methodology. My name is David Foster, and in these videos I'll be bringing Curious Cloud to life, both to help you notice and solve complex problems, but also as a way to help you become more generally engaged and productive in the work that you do. We're currently looking at the creative problem solving part of the process. To enhance our understanding of the situation, we have first carefully defined the problem and then sought a range of relevant input in terms of both knowledge and feet on the ground experience. We may even have created a small but diverse team to enhance our limited cognitive bandwidth. Now we can start a task that many people will associate with creativity, a divergent thinking exercise. We're going to be very deliberate in that we're not trying to solve the whole problem, but rather trying to capture discrete elements that might form part of a solution. These elements can be as mundane or crazy as you think appropriate, based on the rich understanding that you have already gained through the process to date. For a simple problem, you could collect a list on paper or electronically. But for more complex problems, consider writing each item on a separate post-it note, which can then be used to good effect in the next stage in the process. Either way, one way of looking at the exercise is to imagine that you have some unexpected guests and that you need to create a meal to feed them. This step simply involves listing out the ingredients that may be relevant and that you already have or could easily procure. You're not yet thinking about recipes, let alone the cooking process, but simply taking stock of the ingredients that you could use. So whether you're working alone or in a small team, treasure each item that is added to the list. There are no wrong answers here or stupid ideas. Smiling and celebrating as the list grows will further support the cognitive process that allows you or others to contribute yet more thoughts. Similarly, recognize the value of quantity over quality. The individual ideas don't need to be super well considered, but it will help if you have lots of elements to play with in the next stage in the process. That's it until the next video. In the meantime, when solving even relatively straightforward challenges, get into the habit of listing out the elements that might form part of the solution. You'll likely find that this simple exercise will make your solutions much richer and more effective. There are deeper explanations in my Curious Cloud article, freely available from the Rally Strategic website. But if you find that this video is useful or that it has piqued your curiosity in some way, then please click like and share it with others.